Fits the following engines: 1970, 1981, 20 and 40 HP, 2-cylinder. 1967, 1975, 50, 65, 80 and 85 HP, 4-cylinder. 1966, 1979, 90, 95, 100, 115, 125, 135, 140 and 150 HP, 6-cylinder. See long description for a list of compatible models. Check manufacturer's recommended part numbers to ensure a proper fit for your application. Top reviews from the United States. This harness has everything you need to replace the interior wiring harness on a Mercury Outboard. I was skeptical about ordering this because of the negative reviews. The plug fits into the boat wiring harness perfectly and everything is marked for easy installation.